Hey everyone, so today I'm starting a journey across the United States to go visit my family in Massachusetts and New York. And the first stop on my trip is Valley of the Gods, where I camped last night. It was a pretty decent sunset, pretty cool night. We had a fire. I actually met my friend Cody from Two Wheels in a Tent. Say hi, Cody.
Hi.
He's going to be riding with me for a few days heading east. And then he's going to circle back home, and I'm going to keep going, possibly checking out some of the Trans-America Trail and also the Mid-Atlantic BDR. So as far as today, we're just kind of winging it. We're just going to ride a little bit and see where we feel like stopping, see where we can find somewhere cool to camp. We just finished tearing down camp right now. We're just hanging out, having a little bit of coffee before we hit the road. We're going to ride through the rest of Valley of the Gods, so I'll show you guys that. And then we're going to head into Mexican Hat and get gas and then take it from there. right, so we made it to Durango, and I think this is about as far as we're going to push it tonight. We're still about an hour away from Pagosa Springs, and we're at a pretty good spot right here to find camp before it gets dark. I couldn't find any dispersed campground in the area, but we're just going to head into the national forest and see what we can find. I've been watching the elevation because it got a little bit cold a while back when we went over a mountain pass. We're down now to about 6,000 feet in elevation, and it's about 60 degrees with a low of, I think it's at 45 degrees tonight in Durango. So we're going to backtrack about 2-3 miles and head into the national forest. We're just stopping at a gas station to get supplies and whatnot. So I saw a dirt road, but it looks like there's no camping in here, so we're gonna have to keep going. It's kind of odd. All right, so we found the other road that said National Forest, and there's people camping in here, so I think we're definitely in the right area. Hopefully it's more than just this big parking lot. Which way you think? Yeah, maybe. This doesn't look too bad. It's not as far away from people as I'd like to be, but I think it's getting a little late and we might have to settle for this one. It's a nice looking site. Cool. At least we got here before dark. What's that? Yeah. It's a little close to other people, but yeah. right, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up here. Even though Cody and I are not splitting up until tomorrow morning, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here because it's about to get dark. So we're gonna make dinner, hang out a little bit, finish catching up before we part ways tomorrow. Cody, I know you're not leaving till tomorrow, but it was good riding with you, man.
Me too, man.
I had fun.
Me. It's quite the adventure.
Yeah, we had some pretty good scenery today.
Yeah, we went from the desert to this.
Yeah, quite a change. All right, guys, like I said, that's it for today. I hope you got something out of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this little adventure. Tune in next week. I will be continuing my journey out east to visit family. But anyways, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.